Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. On this channel I help people to raise their vibration and expand their consciousness. And today I'm going to talk about the HYPNOSIS method, and that is really useful to really let go of all the resistance you have towards your manifestations, your dream life. If you really want to let go of all that anger, all that sadness, and to shift your vibration, shift your perspective, so you can attract and manifest your dream life and just be in the moment that is truly, authentically love you and what is around you. It's just how you perceive things, the situation, and people. Because everything is a reflection of what is going on inside of you. There are so many perspectives and so many energies, but you perceive the energies in one certain way, and then you're gonna attract and manifest that in your life, what you are focused on, how you perceive the situation, or how you perceive the people around you. And how you perceive others is just how you perceive yourself, and it's just a reflection of yourself. But you can change that. You can change how you see the situation, and you can forgive, because everything is manifested. And it's not like it's your fault, it's not like it's their fault, it's just what happened. It's just you are doing your best where your consciousness is at right now. It's just like them, they are doing their best at where their consciousness is right now. And how you interact with each other is just that you trigger something in each other that makes the situation, that makes the perspective the truth. Because the truth is only how you perceive it, and then you're gonna manifest it, because it's trigger each other, because that's just your truth right now. So you think that is true, and you perceive everything what they say in that perspective. But you can choose another perspective and then manifest a different situation and change your outer world, because it all starts with the inner world, how you perceive yourself, and therefore how you perceive and see others, and how you choose to be in the present moment with each other, and how you choose to use your energy on and focus on, because what you focus on will expand. So this HYPNOSIS method will help you to truly shift and to truly let go of your young self, all the stories you're telling yourself, so you can feel the already unconditional love you have inside of you and in everyone else. Because we are truly, collectively, everyone one. We are from the source. We are from God, universe, whatever you want to call it. We are one. We are just split up in these different kind of consciousness and learning different lessons. And sometimes we might forget it. We are here to remember who we truly are. We are here to find our truth and find that out, that everything is actually an illusion, and that we are here to learn from it. The person who made this HYPNOSIS method is called HYPNOSIS, and you can search on him on the internet, or you can see the video of Aaron Dowdy, who I saw the video of where he talked about HYPNOSIS, about what it does, and it's really important insights I got from it. So I really think it's so much worth it for you to watch, and there is a link in the description. So I'll just get straight into it and just say short what these sentences are, and it's, you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And it's about, when you say I'm sorry, it's not about saying I'm sorry I did this to you, or I'm sorry I saw you like this and manifested the situation. It's not about blaming one another or yourself. It's about just saying sorry that this happened. I'm just sorry that it happened, and please forgive me, and then thank you, I love you. And when you say I love you, it's also I love you back, because when you say I love you and you are me, everything is a reflection, we all one. So it's actually just saying that to the other and to yourself at the same time, because we are one another, and you have manifested yourself in this reality, what you make the reality to. So in this meditation, you can sit down or lay down, or you can also just clean your house or drive. You don't have to be in a meditative state. But if you don't want to meditate, then just ignore what I'm saying to start with, because I'm guiding you to calm down and closing your eyes. So first, close your eyes. Then take your focus on your breath. And let your belly expand when you breathe in and out. Let your shoulders sink. Let just all your stress release when you breathe out. In and out. Then if you want to, then put your hands on your heart. And just breathe for a moment in your heart space. Then I'm going to say these sentences, and you can say with me or just listen to only me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for listening and being here and being on this planet. You are unique and you have a unique light. And I just send you a lot of unconditional love. And remember to subscribe with the bell to be updated when I post a new video, and like and peace for more. And then I'll see you next time.